Most people think YouTube growth takes years, but in 2025, I got 100,000 views in just 30 days. And no, I didn't get lucky. I used a repeatable automation strategy that anyone can copy. Today, I am breaking down the exact steps I used to grow that fast, without showing my face, without burning out, and without spending thousands. Stick with me, because step number 4 is the one nobody talks about, but it made the biggest difference in my growth. Step 1. Choosing the right niche. If you pick a niche that's too broad, your videos will get lost in the noise. I picked a high-demand, low-competition niche with an audience that's hungry for content, but not flooded with creators yet. For me, that was automation tutorials with an AI focus. The key: find something trending now but with long-term demand. Step 2. Creating a click magnet video idea. YouTube is a battle for attention. My first viral video idea came from studying what was already working. I looked at competitor channels, sorted by most popular, and then gave those ideas my own twist. My first big hit: a top 5 AI tools video. Simple to make, but irresistible to click. Step 3. Optimizing for clicks. CTR. A great idea dies without a clickable thumbnail and title. I tested 3 thumbnail concepts before uploading my first viral video. The winning one had big bold text, 2 to 3 words, neon green plus yellow colors for contrast, an emotional hook, curiosity plus urgency. This alone doubled my click-through rate. Step 4. Maximizing watch time, the growth multiplier. Here's the part most people skip. I structured my videos so something new happens every 15 to 20 seconds. That could be a pattern interrupt, quick animation, visual switch, or story beat. The result? Viewers watched longer. YouTube pushed my videos harder. My retention jumped from 38% to 65%, and that's when the algorithm kicked in. Step 5. Uploading consistently. I didn't just post once and pray. I committed 2-3 uploads per week for a month. Each new video drove traffic to my older ones, creating a snowball effect. By week 3, my daily views were compounding without me having to do extra promotion. Step 6. Leveraging the algorithm loop. After each video, I pushed viewers to watch another related video on my channel. I did this by teasing my next upload in the outro and linking it with an end screen. That kept people binge-watching, which YouTube loves. The more videos people watch back-to-back, the more the algorithm promotes you. The result: after 30 days, I had 100K views, 1,500 new subscribers, a channel that was already eligible for monetization. And now, the system keeps working, because I'm using the same framework over and over.